I just want to say one more thing and leave you with one more image and one more question, and then I'm done. And the image is a picture of my own brain. It was taken 3 or 4 months ago, and these are slices through my brain. And whilst this picture was being taken, it was taken in one of those magnetic resonance imaging devices. I was asked to think about cycling. I was asked to think about cycling because I quite like cycling. And these little bits that you can see in red are the bits of my brain that I was using to think about cycling. Now the bits at the back here, they're all to do with seeing, because I had my eyes open. So I was using that bit of my brain to look around me. This little bit up here, and up here, and up here, and up here, that doesn't normally get used. That's called the premotor cortex, and it is used specifically to think about exercising. So this machine is actually able to tell what I'm thinking. It would be able to tell, to some extent, what you're thinking. If somebody is brain dead or thought to be brain dead, you can put them in a machine like this, you can talk to them, and even though they can't communicate in any other way, you can tell whether they're thinking about the right things. People have had their life support machines left on just because of a positive scan like this, because we believe there's a person in there somewhere. The question I want to leave you with is this. This century, the century that you're going to grow up in, has been called the century of the brain. Scientists have sort of set themselves the ambition of figuring out how the brain works, how it gives rise to what you call yourselves. The things that, like love and emotion and hate and envy, all of those things presumably come from this wonderful machine. So are you happy to be a machine? Or is there something else in there as well? Thanks very much for listening.